Well, we all know what a full moon is, but have you heard of a micromoon or a supermoon? And why do we have different types of full moons? Well, first to explain the path of the moon around the Earth. Depends on where it is and where the sun casts a shadow, what type of moon we have. We have a new moon when we can't see it at all, first quarter when half is visible, a full moon when it's completely full, and last quarter when, again, half is only visible. But the moon actually doesn't travel in a circle around the Earth. It's more of an elliptical path, and that's due to the sun's gravitational pull on the moon. So it takes about 29.5 days for the moon to take this entire path, which is why we get full moons at different dates each month. So as this travels around the Earth is not directly in the center of this path. So the closest point where the moon is to the Earth is called the Perigee. That's when it's about 226,000 miles away from Earth. The furthest point away from the Earth is called the Apogee. That's 253,000 miles away from Earth. So when we have a full moon and the moon is at the perigee point, that's what's called a supermoon, and it appears brighter and larger. When the moon is at the apogee point, which is the furthest point away from Earth, that's when we have what's called a micromoon, and it is about 30% dimmer and 14% smaller than a supermoon, so it does make a pretty big difference. And on average, we usually see a supermoon about 3 to 4 times per year, a micromoon 2 to 3 times per year, and that's due to Earth's position in this elliptical and also sun's gravitational pull. And it varies each year. The next full moons over the next year and a half. We just had a micro full moon, May 12th. Our next full moon, supermoon, will be November 5th this year. And we also have a second supermoon December 4th, then a couple of micro full moons, May 31st in 2026, June 29th in 2026 as well. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber.